All right, so now it's time for the iPhone 12 unboxing. Yes, this is the same outfit because I'm recording back to back. Regardless, it's time. iPhone 12. Woo, hoo, hoo, hoo. Let's go. Dang, it smells like cardboard. That sucks. That's a negative already for the iPhone 12. Oh. Look at when I let go of these two fingers right here, how everything else just unravels. Look at that. I love it. I love it. So I could have got a fancy color, but to be honest, might be my replacement because I'm coming from iPhone 10. This is in black. And I gotta say, the black is looking good. Ooh, oh yes. Not that satisfying, but we still have the same cables. Why do I say cables? Same cable. It's Lightning to USB-C. Bummer. You're gonna have to go pick it up if you don't have a USB-C adapter. Paperwork that no one reads. So this is the iPhone 12 in black, and gotta say, it looks like it's got some class to it. Compared to the iPhone 12 Pro in gold, honestly, it looks like these are the same exact size. So let me go ahead and put these on top of one another. It's pretty much identical when it comes to size. So back to the iPhone 12. So instead of 3 cameras, we have 2, no LiDAR sensor. On this side, we have our traditional lock button and then the 5G antenna band. The bottom is also not symmetrical like on the iPhone 12 Pro, so we have 3 dots versus 5. On the other side, we have our SIM card tray, volume controls, and then vibrate and ringer. This is the phone I think will sell to the masses like crazy because the iPhone 12 mini is delayed. Not delayed, but it's coming out later. So I think the iPhone 12 is going to be flying off the shelves. Although I don't like how it only started with 64 gigabytes, but this isn't a review, this is an unboxing. It booted up so fast. That was the fastest boot up I've ever seen. Hola. So while this is transferring data from, okay, A14 Bionic chip is just super fast. While this is transferring data from one iPhone to another, I want to talk about real quick whether you should get the iPhone 12 Pro or the 12. This is just my first impressions. I still do think that the Pro is not really for a vast majority of people. I think more people should be looking towards the 12, not just because of price, but just because it does everything you need it to. I feel like unless you really need all these extra cameras, there's no real reason of going over to the Pro. But I would say wait until my final review. That's just my first thoughts on it. I always think that the most expensive offer of iPhones are not for everyone, and it's the one right below it, and that would be the 12. There is the mini. I think that phone might be a little bit too small for people, but in this design, I might be speaking too soon. I love this new design. Let me get this off this table. I'm talking about the iPhone 12. I feel like I'm holding the father of the iPhone 5. Like, this is what Apple has been holding back on us for so many years. Yes, I made fun of them for not being innovative and having a new design, but I am so happy with this choice that they made. I'm so happy. Oh my God, it's so snappy. Yes!
It's going to be very interesting because for once I finally get to say that I've been using the iPhone 12 for a couple days now, and I want to give guys my thoughts. That's something I would say if this was actually the iPhone 12.
This
is just a dummy iPhone 11.
The speakers on this phone seem almost louder than the iPhone 12 Pro, but both of them are extremely loud and clear. It doesn't really sound too distorted. Next, let's look at the camera. It's probably going to be the same front facing in terms of the portrait mode, but let's go ahead and see. That classic camera sound. I keep going. Okay, sorry, I got carried away there. All right, so next I'm gonna look at the camera quality. All right, so that is my unboxing experience of the iPhone 12. Like I said, I think this is the phone that most people are going to be going for and curious about. If you have an iPhone 8, listen, I have some friends who have an iPhone 8, and I personally have an iPhone 10. If your battery sucks or it's not lasting as long, the iPhone 12 seems like a really good choice to upgrade to, even if you buy a used iPhone 11 as well. I mean, God, this is how? Everyone always makes fun of Apple, and then when you have the device in your hand, you're like, okay, Apple, okay, you've done it. I don't know how, but you've done it. It's so light. How? Anyway, guys, this is my unboxing experience of the iPhone 12. If you guys did enjoy it, please let me know down in the comments below of what you guys would like to see in this phone, as well as in the iPhone 12 Pro. I believe these phones can stand up now. Oh, it's back. iPhone's back, baby. We're back and we're proud. I will say though, if the 12S comes out next year, these phones are obsolete. Not obsolete, but the S will obviously be better to get. Anyway, if you guys want to know how you can enter into the international giveaway, please check the description down below. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, leave a like. I love these phones, man. I love these phones. Tim, how? How do you always impress me? Wait. It smells like nothing. It smells like my apartment now. Much love.